Good morning children. How are you all today? In the last class we learnt about letter M. Today we are going to learn about a new letter. First letter of English alphabet. The letter is alphabet A. Look here. This is letter A. Now I am going to show you the formation of letter A. Start from a dot, slanting line to the left, slanting line to the right, and a sleeping line from left to right. A is also a vowel. The sound of letter A is A. Yes, the sound of letter A is A. A as in apple. A as in alligator. Look who's come to meet us today. She is Annie. Say hello to Annie. Hello Annie, how are you? Annie says she is fine. Annie is going to tell us one story. Are you all ready to hear? Let's begin. One day, Annie went to Africa in an aeroplane. Yes, she went to Africa to meet her aunt. One afternoon, Annie wanted to go somewhere, so she went to a jungle. Yes, she went to a jungle. After walking for some time, she felt very tired. Annie felt tired, so she sat below an apple tree. Yes, she sat below an apple tree. Suddenly, you know what happened? Suddenly, one ant started to come near her. Yes, the ant climbed on her body and bit on her arm. Yes, the ant bit on her arm. Annie started to scream in pain. Ah, ah, ah. Yes, she started to scream in pain. She was crying, and suddenly one apple fall down from the tree. She felt very happy. She started to eat an apple. Yummy, tasty. Now you know what happened. Suddenly one alligator came out of the pond. Yes, the alligator came towards her. Annie was feeling frightened. Now you know what happened. The alligator came near Annie and asked for an apple. Annie shared her apple with the alligator. The alligator went back to the pond. Look kids, now I am ready to cook. Your mom must be wearing this apron in the kitchen, right? Look what I have for you all. Almonds. Yes. Yummy almond. Look at this now. Apple. Yes, an apple. Now let us all revise all the words that we learned with letter A. A, Annie. A, Africa. A, aeroplane. A, ant. A, apple. A, alligator. A, apron. A, almond. Now I have an activity for you all. You all have to make letter A with the help of ice cream sticks. Let's see how to do it. Take ice cream sticks and make letter A with the help of ice cream sticks. Slanting line to the left, then a slanting line to the right, then a sleeping line. Makes a letter A. If you all like my video, do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive notification for all my upcoming videos. See you all. Bye bye.